All right. Welcome, good evening, and welcome to listeners and viewers. Today, again, I am going to share with you about some projects. Not project really, but a certain idea that I have also used to solve a certain problem. But before that, let me quickly go and share with you some experience I've gotten yesterday. The people in the north here, for instance, in the upper west here, we have hospitality. For hospitality, it is 100%. But the only things we are losing here is unity. As for that one, most of them that are around here will bear with me. Because yesterday, like this, as a learning person, yesterday I was going somewhere and I had problem with my bike. When I was going to do something at Nandom, I ran out of fuel. And then when I was pushing, majority of the people that were passing, most of them always stand to ask me what is wrong with my bike. Others try giving me helping hand. And one guy even amazed me when I was about getting to a certain roundabout, a certain corner that you take before you get to the final destination. A certain guy arrived and then I told him that he should go, I will come. But the guy tried and then he still helped me. He used a certain technique that he put one leg of his wrist to my footrest and then he was pushing me until I got to where I was going. It was actually amazing. About five good people that were actually what? Showing concern about what I was doing today. In fact, I was really happy. And I know very well people are trying learning. People are still having some kind of concern for me. But that is not why I'm here. That is just by the way. Actually, I am going to share with you about a certain idea that I have also used to solve one guy's problem. You know, every problem has a solution. But the challenge here is how to come by that solution. That is always the problem. You know, there is a certain guy, he has a lot of navy pictures, videos, and some documents, some files on his pen drive. And then unfortunately, this pen drive, I don't know, the pen drive fell and then he stepped on it and it got broken. Like the USB port side got broken. And then this guy roam around, he always send it to every site that they should try and make and solve that problem for him. They should try and help him so that if he could just able to copy the information from the pen drive, that one alone, that it will help him. And so he check. They always try soldering the USB port to the pen drive, but he couldn't because most of the mentality inside got broken. And so they said no, the thing cannot work again. So when he chanced me one day, I took the thing and I looked at it and I said, wow, this is the challenge. And then I started thinking what to do, how to apply my technique, to solve such problems. And then I was there, and then something occurred to my mind. I take a USB cable, then I counted the terminals on the USB cable and realized that the cables were full. So when I also counted the terminals on the pen drive, they were also full. And I said, wow. Then it means, then again, I asked myself, why is it that you can connect a USB port to your phone and to a PC and you can be able to retrieve data from the phone? There I realized that, okay, once the USB cable has 4 cables, and then the pen drive also has 4 terminals. It means there is something in common. And so that was where I now picked the USB cable. Then I studied the pen drive terminal where I was able to differentiate between the positive and negative terminal and then the data cable, the data terminal. So when I was able to identify that, I also checked the USB cable And the majority of USB cable, you will bear with me, when you cut open the cable, you see that some of them always have colors. You see red and black or red and blue, and then some mixture of other cables, either white, yellow, and other things. So when I checked that, I realized that that red cable shows the positive, this thing, the positive voltage terminal. Then the black one shows the negative voltage terminal. So when I thought of that, I pick it and I connect to the USB cable. Then I arrange the cable according to the way they are arranged in the USB cable. I also arrange it that same way and connect it to the USB, the pen drive. And so when I did that, I tried the pen drive. Oh, it was working. And I said, wow, that's amazing. So at least I know maybe some people may be facing the same challenge. So when you watch this video and you have a better understanding, I bet with you can also solve that same problem whenever you encounter it. It will just be a fun to you. And that way, when I did it and I look at it, in fact, it was actually amazing, because whenever I'm working with that pen drive and people see, some don't actually realize that it is pen drive. They always think it's just a mere cable, but it is a pen drive. And so after which, I wrap it with a black sellotape. So whenever people see that, they always think like it's just an ordinary cable. Meanwhile, it is a pen drive. And so that is what I have done, and I want to share with you so that you see and learn. As I always say, it is application of ideas. So that is the same way. When you learn something, you try transferring it or converting it into a different way, or try using that same knowledge to transfer to see how you can solve related problems like that. So that's why it is good when you learn something, you apply it. So not necessarily knowing the term, but try applying it, so that people will see the product of it and not the theory of it. So that is something that I have done, and I want you to also have a look at it, share with your colleagues, and continue to follow me. Thank you for your time, and continue to follow the channel. Thank you.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. U-Disc mode. Bluetooth mode. UDisc mode.